Hello everyone, welcome back to the Learn SAP channel. So in this video we will discuss step-by-step tutorial how basically we can start practicing on SAP ECC server from beginning. Okay, so if you are a professional beginner, so this video will very helpful to you. So please be there in these sessions. Okay, so let's start. So now you can see in this desktop, okay, you will see SAP Logon. So this logon I have installed. If you are not installed, so please install. I will send the link in this channel, descriptions. You can download it. Okay, so let's start. So once double click on this SAP GUI, this is called SAP GUI icon. You have to install it before adding the server detail, right? So let's see here. This is the one button called create. So these are the three folders: connect, shortcut, and favorite. Either anyone you can create it, right? So now let's see. I'm going to create on create connections. See here, right? So now let's see, go to the X next. Under next you will have here an option called connection type. Under connection type you will have two options: customer application server and group server selection. So let's say if you selecting the group, so it would be required a group of people, okay, where our company or institute they have to give the detail here, but we are learning as an individual, so we will have to select a custom application server. So you will have to here give the like ECC detail, like ECC something, SAP ECC something like this application server. Okay, any depend upon like whatever server. Okay, now you have to give the like instance, then we have to give the ID, system ID, and SAP routing string should not be, that is skip it. Okay, so once done, then you have to click next. Okay, so once next would be there, then it would be added. So now you can see once click next, it is added over here. So this is added here, ECC Now let's see, I am going to change. If you want to go do some changes, click on here, and you can see here if you want any changes. Let's see, I want to some changes like FICO. So I did the changes. Now there is a network by default. Okay, there is a code page, that's default. Okay, that's check it, that's default, right? Now if you click this one, so if you click this one, your initial window will open. If you double click on this, yes, see, this is the initial first time login detail. Okay, so now I am going here, the client already is given, that is 800. The user is ban, I'm going. Okay, now the password I am giving, yes, right? Now SAP GUI successfully connected with ECC server. Okay, so how you make sure this is a really ECC server or not? Go to the system status. Under this status you will have a detail here like user use data, okay, previous login, SAP data, host data, database data, and now the system SAP data, right? Now you can see here, click here product detail. Under this install software component version, whatever the install you will see over here. Another one, install product version, you can see here what are the version installed for the ECC, you can see over here. So this is how we can check the system status, right? Apart from that, once you check the status, okay, then we will have another concept. Okay, I'm going to teach you here. Now let's see, if you go to GUI, you will see here called options. Okay, before options, let's see about SAP Logon. You will see under about, you will see the detail about the GUI, like what versions, what release, patches, everything you will see here. Now if you go here and see here the options, if you click options, you will have a multiple options here, right? In the left panel you will have a visual design, you have an interactive design, so many things, so many options are there. So based on your requirement you can choose it. Let's see, if you want some setting, theme setting, right? So here you can choose like as per classic setting, you can choose quad setting. Similarly, you will set a font setting depend upon currently is a 12 is there. Okay, you similarly you can set a branding. Okay, so this is a setting at a level of the GUI level. But whenever you log in into the server, so in the server this is called, okay, already we have successful logon. So even you can change something here. Let's see, this is the one option called a custom local layout. You can change the layout. Even if you click here, go to options, same options would be available under SAP server as well. Same if you want to change, let's see, I would like to change the quad. Okay, apply and do it. Okay, so it is not reflecting, right? Why? Because now it will reflect. Let's see here. See, now it is reflecting, right? See, different kind of skill settings are there, right? So similarly, okay, you could either change the theme detail under over here, or like under like a login, server login as well. So let's see, I'm going to change over here. See, I'm going to change the signature theme. Similar, I'm going to revert. So see, it is reverted. See, look like the screen. Okay, see, it's reverted. So this is how we can change, right? So this is how we are changing the layout basically. So here on the option, similarly you can do it for the font. If you want large, like let's see, I want a bold italic, I want 20 size, so whatever you want, right? If you click here, so setting would be increased. So that setting will be effect whenever you are going to log off, and again I am going to log in. See, it will, see how it is reflective, right? So this is very important. So be there and listen carefully, right? So now I am going to options. Okay, again I am going to minimize, like this 20. I am going to whatever 12 or whatever you have, a regular or whatever you want it. Let's see 12 something we have it. Okay, so I'm going to change it. So I'm going to see the reflect. See, back to the original like font, right? So this is how. Okay, so this is the one of the feature. Okay, another feature we have a like a see new GUI, right, window. So this is basically a maximum 6 window you can open at a time. So if you click here at a time, 6 window you can open maximum. Okay, more than 6 it won't allow. I'll show you. See, it is automatically see it is, the message is came. See, maximum number of GUI session is reached. So maximum six level of only is possible, right? So this is one of the feature. Now here one more features are there, find, and we will have a find next features as well, right? Now another, we will go for the favorite, which is very important. Okay, favorite. If you want to add something like a transaction code, if you want to add some folder, you want to create some kind of a folder, insert the transactions, everything is possible. I'm going to show you something here. Even here you can say menu bar, you will see here the favorite. You can add favorite, you can delete favorite, you can change favorite, right? So even here we will have options. Right click here, you can create. If you want to create anything or open anything, you can do it. Let's see, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to create, yeah, insert the folder. So let's see, I'm going to here SAP test, something kind of a folder I'm creating here for you. Or let's see SAP ECC or whatever you want. So let's see, this is the folder. Okay, see, it is created folder. Now I want to add some transactions. Let's see, whatever the it is useful for us, I'm going to add here. Let's see SC11, whatever you want. You can insert something SC16, whatever you want. Even if you want to add new folder, you can add new folder. Under this folder you can also insert something like SC16 something, right? So this transaction you can add. See, similarly you can add SC16 folder is there. Under SC16, if you want to something like insert some transaction code, SC or SM37, SM37 I would like to add here. See, it is added here. So this is how it is possible to add. You can delete. Let's see, if you want to add something, let's see, this one I would like to add here. So you can see here add favorite is there. You just click here, you see added over here. So this is how, means there is so many options are there. You can use day by day, you feel better, okay, and start practicing. And one what is more important, this is called command prompt, right? And this is called basically the command prompt where you can write a command. Let's see, I would like to SM37. SM37 is a T code, okay. Let's before /n. /n means that is a new window. It will open new window. SM37, right? So let's see. I'm opening. See, it is saying maximum reach. So you have to close some open one because so many is already open, right? So I'm going to close over here, right? So let's see /n, and I'm opening some other window, okay, like any window. Let's see, I'm opening something, anything like SM37 or any other window. So see, SM37 is opened. So this is how we are opening basically. So now let's see one more thing I would like to tell you here. So this is the table, right? SE11 is the table as well. So if you want to check SE11, you can check the SE11 Mara. So this is how we are checking the data. This is a table, existing standard table, you can check it. So this is how we can check the data as well. Apart from that, okay, what I would like to tell you here, here we have a more options. This is called command prompt, okay. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that is here. Let's see, if you go here, there is something is options is there, right? See, yes, here would we have something. Let's see, this is a system basically. This is the client 800. This is the user program, because every window backend some program is there, and backend some transaction session time in, okay, intermission time. So these are the response time, everything would be in the background is going on. So these are the basics, okay, which is very helpful to users or end users or like a fresher beginner. So be there, okay. So let me detail more things here. I'm going to show you. Apart from this, so I will show you something like there is a different codes even we have it. Let's see, apart from that, okay, we will have a profile. Yes, that is more important, user profile. You can see, go to here, system, user profile, and then own data. If you go here on data, okay, you can see here the address, whatever the address, department and email ID you can maintain over here. And default, under default you will have a decimal notations, like if you want to change the notation you can change over there. And whatever the format you want, let's see, if you want like this format you can change it. If you want the time format like this format, 12-hour format, you can do it. If it is anything like a time zone, let's see, I want something IST, you can put it IST over here. So once done, then you can put, see, IST is invalid, so you can try for another like GMT something. So let's see, once done, then you have to save it. Once done, see, it is saved. Now again you have to go into the status, not a status, that is profile. Let's see, go into the profile over here, and this is on data, and you will have to go into default, and now you see GMT is done. So now this format would be valid, okay, for your user whenever you are going to log in. So that whatever you saved, the decimal format, date format, time format, that is valid for your. So these are the very basic things, okay. Apart from that, you will have to go into the help. If you required any help or any setting, okay, you could do here only. So these are the basic things, okay, we should learn before going forward. So please go through this complete video, and if in case any doubt, questions, please ping me, or you can comment. If in case urgent, you can mail us. And definitely you can like and subscribe this channel, and definitely you should share with your friends. So thank you for watching the video. Till then, bye.